What is that? Oh, come on already? We didn't feel that yesterday. And I only brought one of these guys down here. Oh, we got it back. Oh my. Oh, I snagged into something after I popped it off. Jeez. What's going on, you guys? I'm about to hit the water. I'm getting out there late, but we're gonna get out there regardless, anyways. But I can't help. Maybe nobody likes the ACC crappie sticks. I don't know, cause nobody answered. Nobody sent me an email, so nobody won. Now we have to figure something else out. We're gonna play another game. We're gonna make it a little more simple. Maybe. I'll come up with something. And as soon as I do, I'm gonna let you guys know all about it. And I hope you guys decide to play. If not, I mean, that's cool. But I'm telling you, them ACC crappie sticks are the truth. They are the truth. And you can feel rock bottom, you can feel mud, you can feel sand. Well, yeah, you can pretty much feel anything. And them thumps, even the slightest thumps, they're made for crappie. So, sometimes crappies got them soft bites. So, I don't know. We're going to try it again. And if nobody wants it, I guess I'll just keep it for myself. Or go get me a new reel or something. Anyways, if you guys like what you see, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see some more, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys out in the water. Peace. Alright, so Ross is deployed. Now, go find him, bro, so we can get him. Hopefully it works. I think it will. It don't matter what we get. We just gotta find something. Trying to find a spot where we can get down.
We back anyway, that happened.
Man, I just caught this. Just caught this little beautiful guy. I cast it out there. I went to go retrieve. He was on there. Okay, so they might be over here. All right. Okay. I wasn't recording because, I was losing hope. Gave me a little bit of hope. Yep, they're here. They're here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This one feels pretty good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're going to keep a couple of these guys. We're going to see if he's up to par. They got to be 14 inches, so we'll have to see. Oh, man, I'm so glad to see you guys. You just don't know. I think they're here. Nope, this one's a little short, but if they're in here thick, like he said they are, we can pick and choose. There we go. Let's go. Game time, baby. I knew they had to be in here, man. You said they're in here thick? I just caught two. Back to where we caught them two Saugers.
Hopefully some more wants to bite. Oh. Got one. Got one. We got one. This, oh yeah, the right species too. First throw with that Slabalicious. Oh yeah. Look like he been caught before too. Pretty sight. Beautiful, beautiful sight, man. All right, now we just gotta find some keepers. They're here. So. Ooh. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay. He ate up close too. Yep. Okay. Okay. Let's get some more. Let's get some more. He ate up close. They want it slow, slow. Oh, your minnow got away. Your creek chub. Are you catching them on hooks or are you catching them in, huh?
With the minnow?
No, the creek chubs.
Oh, the creek chubs and a little
Basket?
little basket.
Okay.
My parents got 2 creeks that run through their property, so I'll just leave one overnight.
Got him?
Yep.
Yee! Good one?
Not small, but not big either.
Damn, he took the chub off. Oh.
They're just feeding on it, but they're not. This pissed me off. It's like 4 times in a row.
Now you're watching it, you ain't gonna do it now. He's like, hell no.
I got one though. He was probably about 14. I got him right to the top of the water, and it popped right out.
Of course it would. Oh yeah. It was above this. There we go. Little guy. You got one too?
I think a lot of these are them small saugers.
Here we go. Ooh, look at that head shake, boy.
Yeah. It's close.
We're not gonna keep
Remember
him.
I told you they emailed me and said if there ain't a size limit in here for Indiana. So once it hits the point, if there ain't a limit up in here for sauger.
Man, I'll wait till the man himself say that.
I got the email from the lady.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn it.
Because I asked her, I was like, you know, I've been fishing. I felt him. He was on there for a second. They're beating the hell out of these minnows.
Yeah, they are. Ooh, right there, right there. Ooh, this feels good. Oh, this might be a white bass or something. Nope. Ooh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, you're coming home. Look at that. Yeah. So, no size limit.
No size limit here.
You promise, man?
Yep.
Pinky promise?
Yep.
Well, I guess the night bite's on. So, we've been struggling all day. Now, they want to hit. But I guess,
I'll just do that out.
Oh. Better time than, yeah, better now than never. Oh my God. I love it, bro. Hold on, bud. Wait, this one. This thing is enough meat on there. He looked bigger, dude, when you had him. If you don't make it, I'll take you. Ah, he made it. I don't even know why I'm casting all the way out there. Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, come on, dude.
That looked like a good one.
That was. We got plenty of chubs for you. Oh, come on, dude. You just dumped the hell out of it. What happened? Oh, someone else got it. Good one, too. I've seen better. Little guy. It's amazing how thick they are in here right now. Ooh. Ross, you better cast this way. Oh, look at that guy.
Oh, that was cute.
You hear that? He said you're cute. That means you need to grow up, bro. He is, though. See?
I happen to be catching the Saugers walleyes here, though.
There we go. Little guy, though. He pulled my pants down. Let him go. Put a whole sauger on there, bro. There we go. Little guy. Little. Hey, how he came out the water? Bloop, bloop. Look, this guy's is pretty, bro. He still got his markings.
My thoughts have never been clearer. I see what you're doing to me.